There's Peace enjoying her treat. Yummy, yummy, huh? Yummy, yummy treat, huh? And who's this handsome boy? Hi, Care. Oh, I'm sorry. You look just like your brother. This is Cassey. I'm so sorry, Cassey. I called you the wrong name. They all can live together, share toys, share bed, and treats. No aggression with each other, even with food. That's all they do. No growling or no showing. Cassey? Good girl, good boy. It's okay, you can go up the bed. Such a good girl. Such a good boy, too. You're a funny boy. You're a funny boy. You're a happy boy. You're a happy boy. You're a happy boy. Such a happy boy. I'm a happy boy. Are you silly? Such a silly boy. Could you let Peace alone and have her eat her bone? And no. Cassey. Okay, you guys play a little bit so we can go to bed soon, okay? Oh, you're gonna fall off, Cassey. Oh my God. Are you okay? Silly boy? Are you okay? Come. Mama check. Check. Come on. Okay, you're fine.